welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be playing Walking Dead Saints and Sinners Retribution. To be honest, when I played Bone Labs, I loved it, but as soon as this came out, I went in, as soon as the trailer came out, all the way to a couple weeks ago on the 1st of December, to get this game. And I finally got it, and I got to the bit where this whole game is really on about, is the Today I'm going to be showcasing the chainsaw and doing some gameplay with it. So let's just get into it. So I will be explaining stuff about it, and you do get these. These are another great thing in the new game. But this right here is the beauty of man walking zombies, the dead kind. All you got to do is pull this little thing up. I'm not going to do it yet. You're going to hear the raminy num 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 as soon as we see a zombie. So as soon as we see them, you're going to see a lot of blood. So just to make sure, if you want to watch this video, be aware there's a lot of blood. It's a bit scary. Oh, okay. Shot my... I don't need no gun. Give me my bottle of booze. Okay, right. I got this. You see that guy over there? Yes. Let's go, baby. Oh, there's one here. Okay, that's why I told you. It's bloody. Oh, there you are. I've just cut this guy in half. Oh, God. It's brutal. I love it, but I also hate it. Oh, shit. Okay, sorry guys, but, this thing is absolutely beast. I can't stop using it. Oh, you could even use it with one hand. Sorry, I've just cut this girl in half. Sorry, lady, sorry. Where are the boys? I'm not gonna lie, we just had like 16 boys coming. Because I'm gonna kill them! You're dead. You're cut in half now. Another girl zombie. You serious? What the flip? I've cut her in half, it glitched. Just walking on one leg and I cut her in half again. As soon as you get this thing in a zombie, they will not be able to literally watch it. Very glitchy sometimes, but who cares about that? Just look at that little guts. Ooh. Oh, there's one more. This is flipping just a beast. Oh, no. That's what you get for trying to bite me. Oh, you come as well, eh? Idiot! Don't try me. Anyone else? Because I got plenty of more. From where this came from. I'm gonna showcase a bit of these because these are fun. I can do boxing match with these. I did it in my old video, but my audio couldn't come through because I forgot to click a button. But boxing match, you ready? Oh, what's a flipping here? Our flipping jaw is gone. You know what I mean? Her jaw is like hanging off the side of her face. Right. Sorry, guys. Come on. What? Ah. That's she's dead. stamina. Let me try the... I have a laser sight. I want to see how good it works. Oh, it looks good, but it's more about how it works. Just like, I could just go, boo, brah, bah, 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 bah. Scoop-a-doo, bah, bah, and a boop, boop, brr, boom. Okay, it improves your aim. Where are the zombies at? I'm missing them now. Oh. This chainsaw hasn't been put to use. You know what? Whoa. I don't like that. I've just cut him in half. Like. I don't know where the zombies are. Okay, there's not much zombies, so I'm gonna go there in a sec. You'll see what I do, because there's one more thing I need to showcase this, and it'll give us more zombies to kill, but you can go out in nighttime now. Just watch this. I'm in the shadows right now. Just watch, you can click on it twice and it'll go into nighttime. See? Oh my god. You ready? You ready? Here it is. Oh. There's usually so many zombies here at night. Well, there's so many zombies at night. Oh yeah, here we go. 2 zombies down, landed in the same spot. Oh. Yes. Yes. Look at the bloods. Flip. One more. Zombie. There's a zombie. Let me cut your head in half. Oh. Look at her head. You want it? Bro, it sounded like I just hit woods. Wait, what is that? I thought it was a finger. Sorry, guys. I really did think it was a finger. I wish it said retribution like on this bit. Because that would be sick, but it doesn't. Of course it doesn't. Oh, for flip's sake. Give me it. What? Oh my god. Now that I think of it, it's a bit too much zombies for a trophy. Oh god. Oh god. He's stretched out like a hot dog. Bro, you want some? You want some? Where do you want it? In your belly, your legs, your heads, your balls, your balls. Didn't get it quite on the balls, but coming off. Where the flip is he? Come on, my head hurt. My head itching. Head itching. In my old video, I had such many kills, but this one, oh yeah, yeah. Oh flip. Oh, he's dead. He ain't gonna be there. He ain't gonna be down here anymore. He ended my territory, so he goes home with no eyes and no balls. No, you know, I didn't mean to say that. No eyeballs, that's what I was meant to say. Messed up a little bit, but we shall not talk about that. Bro, as I said in my old video, you probably didn't hear it. I feel, so there's an axe man in this game. I'm the chainsaw man. Oh la la! Some more blood coming in the game. You might want to shut your eyes. This is gonna be brutal. Oh. Oh, her skull. Oh, there's one more. There's one more. There's always gonna be one more. One more zombie kill, actually two more. Well, until I get back to my boat, it's going to be the end of the video when I get to my boat. So, yeah. Until I get to my end of the video talks, this game is the best. If you hate blood, don't get it. If you love blood, and if you love zombies, get it. If you hate zombies, don't get it. Why are there so many now? I said, is he dead? No. Get the flip away! Get the flip away! Get the flip! What? I'll just cut this man's... Quit. Okay, I should be running to my boat by now. Goodbye, guys! See you later.